Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Precitech 350 is an ultra-precise control system machine for freeform diamond turning, milling, and grinding, which are used to produce optical lenses, mold inserts, mirrors, and precision mechanical components. These machines produce rotationally symmetric, asymmetric, freeform, and sculpted geometries with form tolerances in the sub-micron range and nanometer surface finishes. This interface has been completely rebuilt and is ready for use again after a number of failed parts were identified and replaced, and an intermittent connection was also discovered on the main interface board, which had previously locked up the software, rendering the machine unusable. This particular unit was set up and run for several days prior to shipment to ensure all problems had been resolved. As with all our repairs, this control system comes with our 3-year warranty and has been fully tested. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.